Okay, so here's the things that you need, and it looks like a lot, but it's actually not that much, because most of the stuff that as you continue to do projects, you're gonna just kind of gather, and it won't be as extreme as you think it is. But you do need a drill, you need a stud buddy to find your studs in the wall, to know where to hang it. This is a little level I put on top of it, of my shelf, to make sure it's accurate before I screwed it. And then of course all my safety gear, I've got my goggles, my mask, and then my hearing protection for when I'm cutting my wood. I've got, this is what I use to measure how far you want the shelf to be. Measure that on the wall. And then this is what I'm going to use to treat our shelf. So I've got the dark walnut in a little foam. And then we are going to use glue and a brad nailer. Here's our brad nails, 1.5 inches. And that's what we're going to use to actually build our pieces together. And then I'm just going to do a little things like these clamps are helpful when we're actually like gluing it together, making sure it's all even. And then our lovely little sanding paper. So we got 80, 220, and then we got 120 right here. And then there's different kinds of ways to sand. This is a nice little thing that I just take off the sandpaper off of. And it's like Velcro. I used to break that on, which is nice. And then this is also an option for, this is 220 grit. That's like your last piece to sand, a mask, and then otherwise you can use a hand